This 2017 Forest River Cedar Creek 29RE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, refrigerator, skylight, water heater, microwave, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, external shower, stovetop burner, slide-out, and 67 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Forest River Cedar Creek 29RE is 10,705 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.